What about an ADHD diagnosis? Is that still a disqualifier to commission?
For ADHD, same standard for enlisted and commission, right? Have you had accommodations, whether it be at work or at school? Are you on medications? How long have you been off of those medications? And then, do you have any comorbidities that go along with it? Do you have anxiety that goes along with it? Do you have ODD, so oppositional defiant disorder, that goes along with it? There's a whole slew of other diagnoses that can sometimes pop up with ADHD. But again, each case, I can't emphasize this enough. Each case gets looked at individually. Long story short, ADHD is a disqualifier at MEPS. So at your entrance exam, if you've had any sort of treatment within the past 24 months, but submit everything to the waiver authority. Submit school transcripts, any copy of a 504 or IEP, or a letter from school saying you have one, an employer letter saying how long you've been employed and if you've had accommodations at your workplace, and any clinical notes and pharmacy records that go along with your ADHD diagnosis. All of that will be reviewed, and you'll be determined whether or not you can join the Air Force.
Mm-hmm. And so, like, the reason for that, right? It's not necessarily that you're proving you no longer have this situation, but you're showing the United States Air Force that this is no longer an issue for you, right? Like, it may have been in the past, but you either outgrew it or you no longer need it. And that's why all of that additional information is usually asked for.